Hello everyone, my name is Nisha Rawat from class 9. Today I am going to explain some topics of our science chapter 11, sound. Sound is a form of energy. Sound produced due to vibration of an object. Vibration means rapid to and fro motion of an object. Propagation of sound. The matter or substance through which sound is transferred is called medium. It can be solid, liquid or gas. Compression. When a vibrating object moves forward, it creates a region high pressure is called compression. Rarefaction. When an object moves backward, it creates a region low pressure is called rarefaction. Sound wave. Sound wave are longitudinal wave. Longitudinal waves. The particles of medium vibrate parallel to the direction of wave. Propagation is called longitudinal wave. Transverse wave. A transverse wave is a wave that oscillates perpendicularly to the wave is called transverse wave. Characteristics of sound wave. Frequency. The number of oscillation complete per unit time is called frequency. The symbol of frequency is nu. The SI unit of frequency is hertz. Amplitude. The maximum displacement from mean position is called amplitude. Speed. The speed of sound is defined as the distance which a point of wave, such as compression or a rarefaction, travels per unit time. Speed equals to wavelength into frequency. Loudness. Loudness is measure of the response of the ear the sound. Speed of sound in different media. The speed of sound in different media depends on temperature of the medium. The speed of sound in air 331 meter per second at 0 degrees Celsius and 344 meter per second at 22 degrees Celsius. Echo. If we clap near a suitable reflecting object such a tall building or mountain, we will hear the same sound again a little later. This sound we will hear is called echo. Reverberation. The repeated reflection that results in the presence of sound is called reverberation. Thank you.